What is NFT? NFT stands for non-fungible token. It is unique digital asset that represents ownership of a specific item such as artwork, music, videos, virtual goods, or even real estate. It usually runs on Ethereum blockchains. Some of the key features of NFTs is it is non-fungible, obviously. Unlike cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, which are interchangeable, that is fungible. If it is interchangeable, that is fungible. NFTs are unique and cannot be exchanged with on-to-one basis. Let me give you an example. Lionel Messi scored a goal in World Cup Final 2022. The boot he used to score that goal, there is only one boot in the world that scored in the final. So that is totally unique to other boots. Let me give you another example. A unique piece of art such as Mona Lisa painting. There is only one Mona Lisa painting. You can even make a duplicate or clone, but the original copy will be only one, and the ownership of that art will be in a token. So whoever owns the token is the real owner of the NFT. Hope you understand. One more thing to keep in mind, that is NFT cannot be split into smaller units. They exist as whole tokens. Blockchain technology ensures a transparent history of ownership, preventing forgery or duplication. In terms of smart contract, NFTs use smart contracts to automate process like royalty payments to original creators when resold. Some real life use cases of NFTs. Digital art collectibles such as Cyberpunk's NBA Top Shot, gaming items, virtual real estate, music, videos, etc. can be used as NFT. In Ethereum blockchain, there are some token standards. If you visit this page, you can read more about tokens, introduction, okay, prerequisite token standards. There are some common token standards such as ERC20, which is a fungible token, and ERC721, that is NFT, a standard interface for non-fungible tokens like deed for artwork or a song. ERC 1155, that actually kind of both fungible and non-fungible token. By using this token, this is kind of advanced. By using this token, you can use both. If you scroll down here, let's click on this ERC721. You can read more about it. What is a non-fungible token? What is ERC721? Prerequisites. We need accounts, smart contracts, and token standards. Okay, this is the body. Just read it if you have time. Otherwise, you can follow me to learn from the tutorial by doing the practical. Okay, here are some methods you should have to make a standard NFT. Okay, we are going to use them. Actually, here are some events as well. This is an example, web3.py example. You can read it if you want, but we are going to make it from scratch using Solidity. So just take a look. Actually, we are going to use Open Zeppelin. Okay, no problem.